Viewers, class 9th textbook of social science, in fact, is out. It has been released, and ever since it has come out, we are seeing controversies, coming in one day after another. Yesterday, the controversy was around how a chapter on emergency, a section on emergency, has been included in the social science textbook of class 9th. And that became a big political issue. And now the latest update is that India's election process will also be taught to class 9 students through the new NCERT social science textbook. The book explains how the election commission works, how voter lists are updated through SIR, and how the system really ensures eligible citizens can vote while removing incorrect entries. It also introduces students to EVMs, VVPATs, the Model Code of Conduct and voter awareness programs as well. A new chapter on India's election process has been added to NCERT Class 9 Social Science textbook. The chapter explains how the Election Commission manages elections, maintains voter records, and works to ensure transparency in the democratic process. It also describes Special Intensive Revision, or SIR, as a method to verify electoral rolls and make sure no eligible voter is left out. And this has also become a big political controversy.
This move will burn the opposition even more. Apparently, the NCERT textbooks of social science have included a chapter on ECI, praised ECI for the conduct of SIR, which it calls unparalleled. Well, actually, we all must hail constitutional bodies like Election Commission, like Judiciary, especially when they are doing a yeoman service, a great service for the cause of democracy. They are targeting Election Commission, SIR and EVMs whenever they are losing. This shows that they also know EVM, SIR is bahana, अपने आप को बचाना, alibi बनाना, Election Commission पर निशाना.
मुझे लगता है चुनाव आयोग को शर्माना चाहिए और चुल्लू भर पानी में डूबकर स्विमिंग सीखनी चाहिए कि लोकतंत्र को कैसे तैर के पार किया जाता है। अगर इतना नहीं आता है तो मैं इतना जरूर कहूँगा कि जो SIR त्रिस्तरीय लेवल पे जांच करके नए वोट बने थे, उसी SIR में फॉर्म 7 भर के नाम काटे जा रहे थे। कैसे? जब 3 लोगों की पुष्टि के बाद आपने एक नाम उड़ाया, फिर वो एक पूरा नाम बना और इसके बाद फिर नाम कटना शुरू हो गया। इसका मतलब SIR एक भद्दा मजाक था और उसमें फर्जी वोट हटवा दिए और जब बीजेपी का बड़े पैमाने पे वोट कट गया।
Let's go across to my colleague Kritika, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Kritika, ever since class 9 social science textbook has come out, what we are witnessing is a political war of words on a daily basis. Yesterday, it was on a section on emergency, and today it is on the inclusion of how Election Commission functions, the inclusion of SIR exercise specifically.
Well, absolutely, Hina. You know, this is coming in at a time the NCERT Class 9 Social Science textbook is backing the Election Commission as well as the Special Intensive Revision, wherein it is already facing a lot of opposition heat. We've seen how Mamata Banerjee had herself, in fact, argued in the Supreme Court as far as the SIR exercise is also concerned. But currently, the NCERT's new social science textbook, which replaces the other different books on geography, history, as well as civics, brought all together under one category, the section on SIR as well as Election Commission under it, hails it as a process that ensures that no eligible voter is excluded and that no ineligible name stays on the roll. It also tells the students how SIR is a process that covers adding new voters, including first-time voters who've just turned 18, and also removing names due to death, relocation, duplicates, or discrepancies. So these are the contents as far as SIR is concerned, which has been reflected in the book. The book also calls India's electoral process as unparalleled, and in fact describes Election Commission as the guardian of free and fair polls. Now remember, opposition parties, whether it is the TMC or the Congress or the DMK, have been in fact writing letters against demanding rather the resignation of the Chief Election Commissioner as well on multiple occasions, and bills and motions to that effect have also been attempted to be passed by them in the Parliament as well. So we're seeing that all of this, the new chapter that has come in, of course, is courting a lot of controversy, because that is coming in exactly on the lines of which the opposition has been, in fact, harping on for the last few months as far as the conduct of what they say unfair elections is concerned on part of the Election Commission, as well as the manner in which SIR has carried out, which for more context, the Supreme Court has anyway upheld itself. So it is interesting to see how the opposition continues to react with more changes that are coming in with the curriculum this year. Remember, sweeping changes have been made in the books that have been introduced by the NCRT in line with the national education policy, and that is why we're also seeing all these new changes coming into the books.
Right. Kritika, any word from the Education Minister on the controversy that we are witnessing today? Because yesterday on the section on emergency, we did get a reaction from the Education Minister. But on today's controversy on EC, on SIR, has the Education Minister said anything?
Well, as far as Minister Dharmendra Pradhan is concerned, yes, he did hail the chapter and the section on emergency, and also how democracy was subverted under it, but the kind of description that was also given for emergency, as well as it is vital for students to study it even as early as class 9. This also yesterday also marked the 51st year since the proclamation of emergency had come into effect. As far as the chapter on Election Commission and SIR is concerned, currently the Minister himself has not spoken on it. Remember, he's also engaged with other activities today, so we are expected to hear from him tomorrow and day after on the same, and also on the new other sweeping changes that have been, in fact, introduced in the NCRT as well. However, as far as sources tell us on the idea behind introducing such paragraphs and such description of SIR is concerned, what the ministry at large believes is that this is in tandem with the way the pillars of democracy works in a country, and specifically in the largest democracy country of India. Over to you.
Thank you very much, Kritika. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this story.